Okay, so for practice problem 3, I had a typo, but yours is correct. Let's get started. So what is the first step? There are no parentheses, so I don't distribute. Step 2 says combine like terms, and I do have like terms with the 2r and the plus 8r. So those combine to give me 10r. Bring down everything else. 41 should say minus 5r on your slide. Now I need to get my variables on the same side. So I have variables here on the left, and I have variables there on the right. I need them all on the same side. This time I get to choose, so I'm going to move the smaller one by doing the opposite, right? If I move the 10r, it would be negative, and I want to avoid that when I can. So the negative and positive r's cancel out. 10 plus 5 is 15r. Bring down everything else. Now I'm on step 4. I need to get my constants on the other side. So since variables are here on the left, I want constants to be over here on the right. So do the opposite and get rid of these 11 on both sides. The 11s cancel out. Bring down your 15r. This is 30. Step 5, isolate. This is 15 times r. So the opposite of multiplication is division. I think r equals 2. So let's check and make sure it works. So again, we're going to rewrite this whole thing, but instead of r's, we're going to put the answer in their place. Ooh, I wrote too big. Okay, so I think r is negative 2. So positive 2. So where all these r's were, I'm just going to put 2's. And we're multiplying. 2r means 2 times r. So 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down the 11. 8 times 2 is 16. Bring down the 41. 5 minus 2 is 10. So now I can just add. 16 and 4 is 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. 41 minus 10 is 31. Same number means I'm right. I can put my answer in the box.